Growing up, was there a particular political atmosphere in your household?
My parents, on the other hand, were so proud to be citizens of the United States, and Election Day was such a big event. The schools were closed, offices were closed. We would go, my big brother and I, down to the election booth, which was somebody's garage, and I still remember it, way back on Auburn Avenue. It was a few blocks from us. And my brother and I would stand outside, and they had tons of the size of a business card. They were called election cards. Everybody running for office had election cards, and there were people there passing them out. Vote for this one, vote for that one. And it was such a big day in our lives. We knew how important it was to our parents. After that, the big treat was taking the bus downtown. In those days, I think I was young enough to remember the trolleys in Utica, and we would take a trolley car down. And then we would have lunch, kosher rules permitting, certain things you could eat and certain things you couldn't eat, in a wonderful restaurant called the Home Dairy down in Utica. So we just remembered how special Election Day was. And that night, sitting at the dinner table, we would listen. We didn't take part in discussions. We would listen to my parents discussing who was winning, who would win, who would not win, and all their feelings about politics. It was a special day.